add a buy button in Shopify, follow these steps. Generate buy button code. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, Buy Button. Click on Create a Buy button and configure the button settings, including product selection, style, and customization options. Customize button options. Choose the product you want to feature with the buy button, select the button style, and customize the text, color, and size to match your store's theme. Get embed code. Once the button settings are adjusted, click Generate Code to create the HTML embed code for the buy button. Copy embed code. Copy the generated HTML code snippet provided by Shopify. Paste code in HTML editor. Access the web page or platform where you want to embed the buy button. If it's a Shopify page, edit the page in the Shopify admin. For an external website, access the HTML editor. Insert code. Paste the copied HTML embed code into the HTML editor at the desired location within the code. Save changes and preview. Save the changes and preview the page to ensure the buy button appears correctly. Test button functionality. Test the buy button to ensure it directs customers to the intended product and functions smoothly.